You know, once you see the shoes on, it's time for workout. We're gonna do some stand-up exercises today. What are those?
This gonna go down. This freaking vibe is so nice.
It's my first time being outside since I flew from Philly. Make a supermarket run. Feel pretty safe. Everyone is wearing masks. Good signs in the supermarket. Few persons breaking the rules in terms of the one-way signs. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a bit. But yeah, life is not the same, but it is what it is. Here. But I can't enter from here. Mask on.
You are the best in that Westmoreland. You the crazy lost, you are hear me. Me want to a millionaire man. Millionaire man. Wanna know what this feel
Customer service line. Stay 6 feet apart. I'm ready to go, but I can't find the bread. I need bread. I need bread to lay down and eat in my bed while I'm getting some. Time to your shoot.
So I just got in from the supermarket. Safe to say it was a good experience. Everyone was wearing masks in the supermarket. They had signs directing you in one-way traffic. They had signs telling you to stay 6 feet apart. The cashier, she was cool. I went in the express lane and she cashed me anyway. I apologize, of course, but she was cool about it. And I had an item that it was 2 for 1. I didn't know, and she cashed it and said like, hey, go get your other item. It's 2 for 1. I'm like, whoa, thanks. Really appreciate it. Being back outside, it's a whole new world out there. It's time to wipe down the item. That's the world we live in right now. Go to the supermarket and wipe down everything. Well, we should have been doing it for a long time, but it is what it is. Stay safe out there. Alright peeps, ready to go. We're going to do each exercise for like 45 seconds. Ready to get rid of Beanie Man gut. Alright, so 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one, I went to China for it. Bruce Lee style. So, kick. Hold on. So, kick. Kick. Kick.
You are the best in that Westmoreland. You the crazy lost, you are hear me. Me dream every night.
Walk it out. Then on to the next one. Alright, this one is a little bit tricky, but it's not that tricky. So, up, then across. Up, then across. Up. Then you switch. little skipping today. Front back slide, front back slide, front back slide. Hi peeps, thanks for tuning in. I call it the fun size, not exercise. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe, click the notification if you haven't, and stay safe till tomorrow. Peace.
Watch me act you down, this gonna go down, this freaking vibes is so nice.